Seeing the game mode unavailable error every time you try to play Teamfight Tactics? Don't panic. Here's how to fix it right now.
The number one fix is to check if Riot servers are under maintenance. Most of the time, this error appears because Riot is performing scheduled maintenance or transitioning between TFT sets. Open your browser and go to Status, riotgames.com. Select your region and check the status for League of Legends and Teamfight Tactics. If you see a yellow or red indicator, servers are down or in maintenance. All you need to do is wait. Riot usually finishes within 1 to 4 hours. You can also follow Riot support on X, formerly Twitter, for real-time updates.
So what exactly is this error? The game mode unavailable error means the TFT game client cannot connect to Riot's match servers for the mode you selected. This can happen during set transitions when Riot swaps out the active TFT set during patch days, or when your client version is out of sync with the server. It affects both PC and mobile players across all regions.
Solution 2 is to update your game client to the latest version. An outdated client is one of the most common causes of this error. On PC, open the Riot client, click the gear icon for settings, and check for updates under League of Legends. If an update is available, download and install it completely. On mobile, open the Google Play Store or App Store, find Teamfight Tactics, and tap Update if available. After updating, restart the client and try launching TFT again.
Solution 3 is to repair your game files and clear the client cache. On PC, open the Riot client, go to Settings, find League of Legends, and click the Repair button. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the repair to finish. You can also manually clear the cache by pressing Win+R, typing %local app data %Riot games, and deleting the cache folder contents. On mobile Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Teamfight Tactics, tap Storage, and clear cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to clear cache data.
Solution 4 is to restart the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat service. Vanguard must be running for TFT to connect to game servers. Press Win+R, type Services, -C, and press Enter. Scroll down to find the Vanguard service. If it is not running, right-click and select Start. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. The easiest method is to simply restart your computer, which forces Vanguard to reinitialize. After restart, open the Riot client and try launching TAFT.
Solution 5 is to check your network and firewall settings. First, make sure your internet connection is working by loading a website. Then add the Riot client to your Windows Firewall exceptions. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall and add Riot Client Services.exe and League Client.exe. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it because some VPNs block Riot game servers. You can also flush your DNS by opening Command Prompt as admin and typing ipconfig/flush DNS.
Now let's look at why this error happened. The most common cause is scheduled server maintenance or a set transition, which temporarily disables all TFT game modes. The second cause is an outdated client version that no longer matches the server. Third, corrupted game files or a full cache can prevent the client from loading game modes properly. Fourth, the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat service is not running or is blocked by another program. And fifth, network issues such as firewall rules or DNS problems can block the connection to Riot servers.
To prevent this error from coming back, keep your game client updated by enabling auto updates in the Riot client settings. Check the Riot server status page before playing on patch days. Follow Riot support on X for real-time maintenance announcements. Clear your client cache once a month to prevent corrupted data buildup. And make sure Riot Vanguard is always running in the background.
If this video helped you fix the TFT Game Mode Unavailable error, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.